Hello, my happy family. Greetings to you all once again. You're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make this chill natural juice with a very few recipes. So yummy, delicious, guys. I believe at the end of this video, you will appreciate it. Guys, what you just need to do, go ahead and help me to share this video in all your platforms. Share it among your friends. They will appreciate it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this humble family, please do so now. You that has already be a part of this humble family, with all my heart, I say thank you. May God bless you and honor you. Guys, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be using a frozen pineapple. I decided to use this because at a time when the season of piña is gone, sometimes for you to get a nice pineapple like this that you are seeing is very difficult, but you can always see this one in a shopping center. Guys, I've just shared this video. If you have not done so, please go ahead and do so. So can you see how this pineapple is well sealed, guys, and there is no preservative on it. Guys, you can use any milk of your choice. Guys, this pineapple that you are seeing now, I'm not going to be using this one on this video, and I will be adding just a little sugars to it. Add to your taste. And this one is already a naturally sweet already, just a little. Guys, I will be adding just one banana also. Guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing, once you get this thing from the shopping center, before using, take it back again to your freezer, but before using, bring it out, let it be like 30 minutes or 20 minutes so that it will be a little bit dissolved, not too liquid, not too hard. Are you getting it, guys? Then once you open the thing that is on it, dissolve it a little bit with your knife, or with a fork, or with a spoon, just like what you are seeing now, guys. The next thing, guys, I will take it to my blender. Then once I am done with this, I will dissolve it a little bit, because I don't really want this blender to be damaged, you know. I have to help it out. So guys, once I am done, the next thing I'm going to, can you see how liquid it is now? So once I am done, guys, I'm going to add this little sugar you are saying, just to your taste. This is already naturally sweet. So I will peel this banana that you are saying, I will cut into a pieces. I will add it to it also. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will add this any milk of my choice. I'm going to be using a half liter of it. I'm not using the milk. So I'll cover it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to blend it. I'll make sure it's well smooth because of the banana I added to it, guys. Oh, guys, this cheese fruit juice is really yummy. It will amaze you when you give it a try. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. Guys, can you see the thickness of it? Just anyhow you desire. If you want it to be more thicker or more lighter, just go ahead, guys. It's yours. So can you see this the empty one? So in case if you want to screenshot it, so that is why I'm showing it to you again, so that when you want to get it in any shopping center, it will be easy for you to locate. Guys, it's really nice. If it's not nice, I will come and present it here for you. In case if you are using this fresh one, it's still the same. Peel it, take off the back, take off the hard part of it at the middle, cut into a pieces, blend it also. Guys, our chill natural fruit is ready. Guys, I'm going to prepare this one for my kids. Oh my God, if you are here to see it, you are going to see the kind of appreciation that is going to go with it. They will love it. Oh guys, can't you think that your friends, your neighbors, people around you in the society, they will love this one? Why not go ahead and share it? Share this video, guys. Share it. That is the only thing you can help me to do, guys. Share it in all your platform, guys. Enjoy this wonderful, easy, chill natural juice, guys, this season. Guys, enjoy it. And I know when you introduce this one to your friends, oh God, your friends are always buying in the supermarket or in the shopping center. When you introduce this one to them, guys, instead of them buying the convenience one, they can go for this one. Thank you for watching. See you next again on my next video. Bye bye.